Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan allow personal hotspot because it uses your mobile data and may incur charges. Once done, open settings, tap cellular, and make sure cellular data is on. You need signal for sharing. Next, tap personal hotspot and toggle allow others to join. This creates the hotspot. Make sure you note the Wi-Fi password shown. You'll use it to connect other devices. These steps enable the phone to broadcast a network. Now configure how the hotspot works and why each choice matters. Set a strong Wi-Fi password of at least 8 characters to prevent unauthorized use, because open hotspots drain data and pose security risks. Decide whether devices will join via Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth. USB is fastest and more secure, while Bluetooth saves battery. If you see maximize compatibility, enable it for older devices. This may lower speed. To finish, connect a device. Pick your iPhone's Wi-Fi SSID and enter the password you noted. You'll see a blue bar or bubble indicating active hotspot. For USB tethering, plug the iPhone into your computer, tap Trust, and enable personal hotspot. Your computer will use iPhone's connection. If something fails, try simple troubleshooting. Toggle airplane mode, restart the iPhone, or toggle personal hotspot off and on. If issues persist, check for carrier updates and cellular data limits, because those often block tethering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.